Have you ever wondered why some people absolutely thrive on keto while others swear it's dangerous? Maybe you've heard it ruins your metabolism, that you'll never eat vegetables again, or that it's just another trendy diet doomed to fail. The truth is, most of what people say about keto is completely wrong. And if you've been hesitant to try it, those myths might be the very thing keeping you from transforming your energy, focus, and confidence. Today, we're breaking through the noise and uncovering the truth behind the three biggest keto myths, the ones that cause confusion, frustration, and self-doubt. By the end, you'll see how simple, healthy, and sustainable keto can truly be. Myth number 1. Keto is just another fad diet. It's easy to see why people believe this. New diets come and go every year, and the word keto has become a buzzword on social media. But here's the truth. Keto isn't new. It's been around for over a century. It was originally developed as a medical treatment for epilepsy and has been studied for decades for its powerful effects on metabolism, mental clarity, and energy. The magic of keto isn't in cutting calories, it's in changing the fuel source your body runs on. Instead of burning sugar for energy, keto trains your body to burn fat, your own stored fat, for steady, reliable fuel. That metabolic shift, called ketosis, is what creates lasting energy, mental focus, and effortless fat loss. Fad diets fight against your biology. Keto works with it. And once your metabolism adapts, you'll no longer be trapped in the cycle of hunger, cravings, and afternoon crashes. You finally feel in control. Myth number 2. Keto means no veggies or nutrients. This one's one of the biggest misconceptions out there. So many people picture keto as a plate of bacon and butter, but that's not real keto. A clean, balanced keto lifestyle is full of color, flavor, and variety. You can enjoy leafy greens like spinach and kale, cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cauliflower, and healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Add high-quality proteins like eggs, salmon, and grass-fed beef, and you're not depriving your body. You're nourishing it better than ever before. The truth is, keto doesn't cause nutrient deficiencies. Poor planning does. When you focus on whole, real foods and keep electrolytes balanced, keto becomes one of the most nutrient-rich and satisfying ways to eat. Instead of counting calories, you're focusing on quality. Instead of restriction, you're building strength from the inside out. Myth number 3. Keto isn't sustainable long term. This might be the biggest myth of them all. People say, I could never give up bread, or that's way too restrictive. But here's what really happens. Once your body becomes fat adapted, everything changes. You stop feeling deprived. You stop battling constant cravings. You experience calm, stable energy all day. And food no longer controls you. That's what sustainability actually looks like. It's not about perfection. It's about balance. Keto becomes part of your lifestyle, not a short-term challenge. You can go out to dinner, travel, and enjoy holidays without guilt because you've built awareness and flexibility into the way you eat. The truth is, keto gives you freedom. freedom from food obsession, freedom from energy crashes, freedom from the cycle of yo-yo dieting that leaves you frustrated and defeated. So here's the takeaway and the bottom line. Keto isn't a fad. It's a proven metabolic approach grounded in science. Keto isn't nutrient poor. It's rich, colorful, and satisfying. And keto isn't restrictive. It's empowering once you understand how to make it work for your life. When you stop believing the myths, everything gets easier. You'll stop second-guessing yourself, start trusting your body, and feel confident knowing you're fueling yourself in a way that supports long-term health and vitality. If you're ready to experience the real keto difference, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, keto isn't about being perfect. It's about progress, confidence, and taking back control of your health, one choice at a time. See you in the next video.